Subconscious Success, a guided visual meditation by your life coach, Roy Grant. Imagine now the tender yolk of your soul, warm and fluid, soft and bright, glowing with beautiful sensitivity, creativity, power, purpose, and wonder. This is your pure nature, the core beneath all falseness and illusions, and it is good, the eternal, true you, ancient yet newly born in every moment, incubated and nourished by the universe, the Creator that cradles you and feeds you, the purest of unconditional love. Feel and allow that love to soak in, to warm and dissolve all resistance to the truth that you are deserving of life and love. Of course you are. You deserve to thrive and succeed. Of course you do. Now is your time. Of course it is. Breathe it all in. Feel the dense atmosphere of the womb of existence around you, thick and humid like a brewing summer storm. Feel the rumblings of power within you, your deep connection to and embodiment of the raw creative force as old as time. Feel the electric energy flowing through you, breaking up all fear, clearing your aura, resetting your entire system. You are reborn, you are completely cleansed, and you are completely ready as the electricity and magnetism continue to course through you, head to toe, up and down the spine, through your brain, heart, belly, feet, palms and fingertips. You have inherent power. You are ready. You are more than enough. You are confident. You are competent. You are beyond capable. Breathe it all in. Breathe it all in. The magnetism of the force field of your aura continues to swell around you, growing larger and more powerful. You feel the cells of your body, the atoms of all that you are, slowly, gently, and ever so slightly pull apart from one another, reminding you of your own fluidity and ability to adapt and evolve with change. Breathe into your fluidity. Draw from the deep and powerful well of your being that knows no boundaries, limitations, or fear, allowing even more of the raw, creative energy to flow through you, healing, encouraging, and inspiring all that you are. Your spirit swells with such power and inspiration that the clouds break and a downpour of natural magic rains upon your soul and the land. Change is magic. Change is alchemy. Change is cleansing and rebirth. Change is alive. You are alive. Change is your ally. Positive change is seeing your dreams come true right now. Let the beams of sunlight come through the rain and your spirit, turning everything into a rainbow hologram of the energy of change and transformation. Let the energy of the holographic rain of infinite color and possibility strike your aura, strike your skin, and the depths of your being, like an acupuncture for the soul. You are opening to positive change. Feel all resistance to positive change softly fall away as you open yourself up. You can handle any change that comes your way, any new responsibility that comes with your success, all with ease, grace, and trust. Of course you can. You are going to be okay. Of course you are. The universe has you forever. You will be taken care of. Of course you will. You got this. Of course you do. You are the bringer of change in your life. You are the bringer of thunder and rain. You are the creator of your world, and the universe is forever holding your hand, guiding, smiling, allowing you to trust the process. Trust the meaning behind all life's experiences. As you look upon the expanse of fields around you that have now transformed into an unending wetland from the rain as far as the eye can see, the sun sparkles on the cool flooding waters that bring new life. Frogs, birds, dragonflies, the heron, turtles, salamanders, snakes and swans all emerge from amidst the reeds, now teeming with life. As you witness this natural beauty with all of your senses and admire this new terrain that surrounds you as the result of positive change, you feel your own cup filled to the brim with the cool waters of abundance, in total synchronicity with the wetlands and the life force itself. Your heart and palms overflowing. You already have it all. There is nothing to be wanted, and nothing that could ever be taken from you. You know what truly matters in life, and it will always be there. And while at times the cup may feel full and other times empty, the fact will always remain that you have a cup. The greatest title, the greatest wealth, the greatest opportunity is existence in itself. Of course it is. You already have it all. Of course you do. Breathe it all in. As you breathe in full gratitude for the wealth and treasures within and around you. You learn to accept and receive all gifts and opportunities. You were made for this earth. This earth was made for you. You were made to succeed. You were made to enjoy. Of course you were. The fruit is ripe for you on the trees for the picking and the tasting. You are comfortable with wealth and graciously accept it in all areas of your life now with ease and effortlessness. The greatest success is joy. The greatest career is presence and gratitude throughout every moment of your life. The rest just falls into place like the rain into the ponds of the wetlands, attracting new life, new opportunity, and new beauty. It's okay to take with your eyes, ears, heart, and all of your senses. It's okay to be wealthy. It's okay to succeed. It's okay to be fulfilled. And it's okay to find your joy. Of course it is. The universe has given you permission through existence. Now give it to yourself. Breathe it all in. Now you are deeply aware of your inherent worth, channeling the depths of your creative power, deeply open to positive change, and deeply grateful for all gifts and opportunities that come your way. And as the sun glitters on the surface of the water, allow it to show you a vision of what your greatest success looks like. Feel and envision it all now, from a place of peace, as the glittering sun becomes you, the scintillating heat of the life of your dreams, filling all that you are with fizzing light. Breathe in how good it feels to succeed. See it clearly in your mind and feel it fully with all that you are. Breathe it all in. The universe is calling you to higher growth and deeper fulfillment. Do you hear it? Do you feel it? All your life now aligns with the intention of your highest growth and deepest fulfillment. And so your greatest joy and success shall be. And so it already is. Affirmations for subconscious success. I am deserving of success. I am open to success. I invite success. And I graciously accept success. I now manifest with ease and acceleration. I love the creative process. I love my creative work. I love being paid for my creative work. I open myself up. I feel the power swell within me, and I now accept my life's purpose with grace, pride, trust, and acceleration.